Today we will solve simultaneous equations with the help of substitution method. What is meant by substitution method? Before understanding the concept or method, we need to know what are simultaneous equations basically. When any equation has two variables in it, like x and y is a variable in this equation, are called simultaneous equations. And why they normally called simultaneous equation? Because we can find the value of x and y simultaneously. At same time, we can solve it and find the answer. Let's understand what is the concept of substitution method. I'm going to number the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So, first of all, you need to select any equation and then make a subject of any variable. First of all, you need to select or choose any equation. किसी एक equation को आप select कर लें and then make a subject of any variable. क्या मतलब इस बात का? सब्जेक्ट बनाने को क्या कहेंगे आप? एनी आंसर आपके माइंड में आ रहा है क्या कहेंगे? सब्जेक्ट बनाने का मतलब है यू हैव टू कीप a particular variable at one side of the equation. You have to find its value in terms of any other value, any other variable's value. So let's solve with me. I'm going to choose equation 1. मैं equation 1 choose कर रही हूँ and I will make y as a subject. I'll keep y at one side of the equation because I'm going to make a subject, and I will move every value to another side. So how y equals to 3 minus 3x. ये minus 3x क्यों हुआ? Can you identify, figure out? Yes, because you have to move the whole value, this term, to another side of the variable equation. Okay, so there isn't any coefficient of y, so that's why you can keep y as a expression. Okay, so here you find the value in terms of x, value of y in terms of x. Now, I will put this value in equation 2. मैंने ये subject किस equation को बनाया था? Equation number 1 को. So, I will put this value in the second equation. So, I'll keep second equation. I will start putting it 7x minus 2. So instead of y, I will put the whole expression in the equation. So what will I do? 3 minus 3x is a value of y and equals to 46. Rest I need to solve like a normal equation. 7x minus 2 times 3. Now I'm going to multiply it. 2 3s are 6. And now minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6x equals to 46. Now I will arrange the like terms. I have to solve the like terms. I'm going to take this 6 to another side. 46 plus 6. Now it becomes 13x, which is 52. Now x equals to 52 over 13 gives us 4. So is it a complete method? Have we find the all values of all variables? There were two unknowns. Unknown number 1 was x and another was y. I came to know the value of x, but I still have to find the value of y. So now I will substitute value of x in this expression. So I'm going to substitute it. Y equals to 3 minus 3x. I will substitute the value of x here. It is 4. 3 minus 12 and minus 9 is the answer. So here x was 4 and y was minus 9. Okay, remember one thing. Let me close this topic. Simultaneous equations are those equations where you can observe there are two variables in it. You can solve or identify the value of both variables, both unknowns at same time. जैसे ही आपने इसको सब्जेक्ट बनाया, आपने वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया इक्वेशन 2 में, then you have to calculate it and get the answer of first variable. Once you find the answer of first variable, you can substitute it in this expression to calculate y. So this is how you can easily find the value of x and y.